And here's a tape look cycle across the Pacific. And was burned on February 18th, 2000.
It's a celluloid city with a million stories waiting to be told, where the pulsing pace of life is 24 frames per second. Feelings are viewed in black and white. Your dreams are in Technicolor, where luminous faces burn into your memory and emotions cut deep into your heart. You don't want to sleep. You'll never want to leave this place. Turner Classic Movies.
Closer. I want to talk to you again. I once told you the astounding story of the Morton Spoken. I have a more astonishing tale to tell, almost incredible. Shrouded in the mystery of Oriental ways, mysterious, sinister, evil little men from Japan, conniving, plotting, scheming, embarked on a diabolical mission of destruction. To come along across the Pacific on a desperate and dangerous journey which will leave you breathless and amazed. The unbelievably exciting adventures of a soldier of fortune and a fascinating story of intrigue and murder and romance. You meet a rare American beauty caught in an astounding web of Oriental treachery. And as for me, remember, Mr. Leland, it's your place to answer questions, not to ask.
Sorry, I'm a little new at this game.
Don't get the ingenious idea of selling me out to the American authorities. It wouldn't pay in the long run.
Some things about me that aren't very nice.
What kind of things?
I believe I'll leave that to the people who get fun out of telling you.
Will what they tell me be true?
What's up, son? Much trouble. You got a gun?
Can't do.
You guys have been looking for a war, haven't you?
That's right, Rick. That's why we're starting it.
You may start it, Joe, but we'll finish it.
Rick!
Our plans must be changed. Understand?